in her garden when she found a big, beautiful golden feather. Then she met a little man. He said, "If you give me that